welcome back to our second session. Did you enjoy exercises in the first video? Good job. Okay, so in the second session, you will focus on other exercises in Grammar Planet 3, right? But yesterday, you already finished workbook, right? Exercises in the workbook of Unit 4, right? And today you are going to finish all exercises in Unit 4 in your student book. Okay, I hope you prepare everything near you already. Before we continue doing exercises in our student book, I would like to review all the grammar you learned from Unit 1 to Unit 4 first. Because today is the end of Unit 4, so I have to review from Unit 1 again. To make sure that you can remember everything, right, from Unit 1 until Unit 4. And on Monday, you will have quiz 2. So please prepare yourself for the quiz 2. Okay, so here, Unit 1, we focus on pronouns, right? We have subject pronoun like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, right? All we call subject pronoun. And we also have object pronoun like me, us, him, her, it, them, and you, right? Good. And we also have possessive adjective like my, your, our, his, her, its, and their, right? And we also have demonstrative pronoun like this, that, these, those. Okay, so in Unit 1 we focus on pronouns, and Unit 2 we focus on simple present. This one we focus on how to add s, es or ies when the verb used with the subject he, she, it, right? Remember that. So when do you add s? You add s to most verbs, right? And when do you add es? You add es when the verb ending in cas, double s, sh, right? Remember that. And we also have irregular, right? Irregular verb like go change to goes, do change to does, have change to has, right? And when do you add ies? You add ies when the verb ending in consonant plus y, and then you change y to ies. Remember that? Good. I hope you all can remember them very well. Okay, and in Unit 3 we focus on simple present, the verb be. As you know, we have three kinds, right? We have am, is, and are. Am used with I, is used with he, she, and it, right? How about are used with we, you, and they, used with are. Okay, and I hope you can use the verb be with the correct subject. And we also have three different forms, right? We have affirmative, negative, and also yes-no question. How about Unit 4? Unit 4 we focus on present continuous, right? And present continuous, here we have 4 different forms, right? Remember? Yeah, in present continuous, you have to use the verb be, and then you have to add ing to the main verb, right? We have 4 different forms. We have affirmative, negative, question, and question with one. I hope you all can remember them very well because I usually review all of them when we learn grammar, right? Okay, so this is the end of our review parts. Let's continue to our lesson today. Okay, so you can open the book all together on page 24. On page 24, the last page of Unit 4, right? Speaking launch. What is speaking launch? Speaking launch means the activity that can improve your speaking. We call speaking launch, right? Good. Okay, here we have 2 activities. We have speaking launch and language station. So now please focus on speaking launch with me. Speaking launch, we have one activity here. We have look and write, then say. Okay, here we have two pictures, right? Two girls in the box. And we have three different forms. We have affirmative, negative, and question and answer, right? Okay, so here you can look at this and then you can understand what to do. Example, affirmative, they say, I'm studying English. How about negative? How do you change to negative? I hope you can change, right? To negative and question very well. Okay, so before doing this or correcting this for all of you, I would like you to do it first. Now you have a minute to complete from number 1 to number 5, and after that I will correct all exercises for all of you. Are you ready? Good. Now you can do it. Finish? Good job. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. Okay, number 1. Okay, look at affirmative first. I'm studying English. Yeah, and about negative, how do you change to negative? I blah 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 must, right? I am not, right? Good. Am not. So here you put am not studying, right? You add ing to the main verb. I am not studying must. Okay, negative. You have to add not after be. Subject plus be plus not plus verb ing, right? So here the subject I am not studying must. How about question and answer? Are you studying English? Yes. Yes, very good. In the question you have to answer I, right? In the question I, you have to answer you. So here, yes, I am. Okay, yes, I am. Okay, so now we finish number 1 and number 2, and I hope your answers are correct. Let's go to number 3 until number 5. Okay, number 3 start with affirmative, right? You look at the girl, yeah, and look at negative. The subject is she, right? Not I. Okay, the subject is not I. The subject is she. You can look at the subject. Look at negative first. She isn't playing the violin. She isn't playing the violin, right? So she, right? She is, right? So you put subject first. She, and then plus be, right? And then main verb. What is main verb? Play. Okay, and add ing to the main verb. She is playing the piano. You can look at the picture. She is playing the piano. She isn't playing the violin. Okay, she isn't playing the violin. How about number 4? Question and answer, right? Blah 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 the violin. Blah 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 the violin. So how do you make the question here? How do you make the question? Is, okay, you have to move be to the front, right? Is, okay, and after that plus subject, right? What is subject? She. Is she? What is verb? Playing, right? Okay. Is she playing the violin? Is she playing the violin? No. How do you answer? No, she isn't. Very good. No, she isn't. Okay, you can look at your answers here. Are your answers correct? Number 1, I am not studying math, right? How about number 2? I am, yes, I am. Number 3, she is playing the piano. Number 4, is she playing the violin? No, she isn't. Okay, so now we finish speaking launch. After completing this, I would like you to, here you see, look and write, then say. I would like you to say all the form, okay? Now I read all the form for all of you again, and then your turn. You have to read all the form and then record your sound and send to the group, okay? Your teacher will check for you. Affirmative. I am studying English. I am not studying math. Are you studying English? Yes, I am. Okay, number 2. She is playing the piano. She isn't playing the violin. Is she playing the violin? No, she isn't. Okay, so now we finish part speaking launch well, and I hope you can do it. Yeah, just record the sound and read all like what I read for you just now, okay? You read and then send your voice to the group. Your teacher will check for you. Well, so now let's continue another activity. Language stations. Okay, here we focus from units 2 through 4, right? Unit 2 through 4. Here, unit 2 focus on simple present. Yeah, how to add SES or IES, right? And unit 3 focus on simple present, the verb be. How about unit 4, present continuous? You are studying right now. Okay, here the instruction, read and circle. Here we have 6 numbers, right? You have to read and circle. Before you do this, I would like to read all the information for you first, and after that, you can do it. I have a minute for you, and then I will correct all for you, okay? Read and circle. 1. Cam and Clara want or wants food. 2. They is or are hungry. 3. Cam don't or doesn't have a guitar. 4. He is or are dancing with Clara. 5. Rosie sleep or is sleeping on a llama in Peru. 6. The llama's hair is or are nice. Well, so after reading this, I think you all can know some what to do, right? What to circle and choose the correct answer already, right? Okay, so now you have a minute to complete this exercise, and then I correct for you. You can do it now. Finish? Good job. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. Okay, number 1. Cam and Clara want or wants. 2 people, right? Cam and Clara, how many people? 2. 2 refer to they. When you with they, you have to add or not? No. So when do you add s, es or is? When you use with the subject he, she or it, right? When you use with they, you don't add anything. So here the best answer is want. Okay, not wants. Cam and Clara want food. Okay. How about number 2? They is or are. They use with is or are. They use with are. Very good. They are hungry. They are hungry. How about what subject use with is? He, she, it, right? He, she, it use with is. And I use with am, right? Good. How about number 3? Cam don't or doesn't have a guitar. Cam don't or doesn't. Cam is one person, right? Refer to a man and one person. So refer to he. So he use with don't or doesn't. Very good. He use with doesn't. Okay. Cam doesn't have a guitar, right? How about number 4? He is or he are dancing with Clara. He is or he are. He is. I told you already, right? When you did number 2. Okay. So he, she, it you use with is. He is dancing with Clara. Okay. Number 5. Rosie sleep or is sleeping on a llama in Peru. Is sleeping, right? Why you use is sleeping? Why not use sleep? If you use sleep, you have to add s to the word sleep, right? But the word sleep no s, right? So it must be wrong. Yeah, it must be wrong. Because Rosie refer to only one animal, refer to it, or refer to, if you love the animal, you can call he or she, right? Yeah, he or she. So he or she, you have to add s. But this one, no s, right? So you have to use progressive form. Okay, how about number 6? The llama's hair is or are nice. Is or are? Is. Why you use is? Because hair is uncountable noun, right? You cannot count hair. So you use with is. You cannot use with are. When the subject is uncountable noun, you use with is. Okay, here are the answer. Number 1, want. Number 2, are. Number 3, doesn't. Number 4 is. Number 5 is sleeping. And number 6 is. So this is the end of our exercises and also the end of our session. Okay, so this is the end of our session, and before we finish our session, I would like to review again. In Unit 1, we focus on pronouns, so please review all the pronouns again before you take the quiz on Monday, okay? And Unit 2, we focus on simple present, how to add s, es or ies. You have to review this again too. Unit 3, we focus on simple present, the verb be, right? I use with am, right? He, she, it use with it. We use they use with are. And Unit 4 focus on present continuous. We have 4 different forms. I hope you can remember them very well. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye class. See you the next video.